Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a new in beauty video. That's what I'm going to call it, I think. I'm very lucky enough to be sent like beauty products here and there. So over the last month or so I have collected a box full of parcels. Obviously not from IKEA, I'm just using the IKEA box. But yes, it's all filled with like new in beauty launches, so I thought I would do a video where I just go through them all, show you like what's new, maybe try and do like close-ups and swatches of things. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy, and of course I'll link everything down below. First up we have Isle of Paradise. This is quite a new tanning brand. It's sold at Boots. It's vegan, cruelty-free and organic. This is the self tanning mousse in dark. They do lots of other colours, and I actually love their tanning like face drops which you put in with your moisturiser. So yeah, they sent me that and that, so excited to try this. So we've got this parcel next, and in here we have some stuff from Charlotte Tilbury. So first up you have the new Magic Away liquid concealer. So it's supposed to reduce the appearances of blemishes, dark circles, full coverage, lasts up to 15 hours, water resistance. This is what it looks like. Let's open it up. So it kind of just looks like that, and then you have like a little sponge applicator, and then I think you twist it and kind of apply it. And then also from Charlotte Tilbury I got the Magic Powder under face and eye. I don't know if that's what it's called, but I think it's like a loose powder. So this is what it looks like, and it's supposed to be soft focusing, light diffusing loose powder. That's what it says on the packaging. So yeah, I'm excited to use this. So that's what it looks like. But yeah, I'll let you know how it goes. I think Charlotte Tilbury is sold at quite a few places now, like House of Fraser I think, and Selfridges and all of them. In here we have some new products from Bondi Sands. So let's have a look what is there. We have the new Glow Shimmer One Day Tan, and also the Glow Gloss Finishing Glow. So I think this is just like your generic kind of wash off tan that shimmers. I don't tend to use these just because I find it gets everywhere, and if you're out and you sit on like white leather or something, it gets all over the seat. So don't tend to use these, but I'm excited about this one, which is the Finishing Gloss, which is supposed to just leave a luminous bronze sheen. So I'll definitely be giving this a go. I'm gonna put my hair up because I am hot. I have some bits from Dior. So let's start off with the foundations. These are from the new Backstage collection. Have used these before. They're like a light to medium coverage matte finish, I'd say, or like semi-matte. I did do a makeup tutorial on Instagram using some of the Dior products, so maybe I'll put it on the screen now so you can see them in action. But yeah, I used these to start off with. Then I had the Dior Backstage contouring palette and highlighting, so that's what that looks like. Then we have the eyeshadow palette, which just looks like that. So nice warm shades. This is in the shade Warm Neutral. Then also had the little lip palette, which just looks like that. So you can mix and match these and mix them together, which I love. Again from the Backstage collection. This is in the 001 Universal Neutrals. Also from Dior I got the Dior Addict Lip Tattoo Longwear Colour Tints. These smell absolutely amazing and taste so good. I know that sounds weird, but I've used them and they literally taste amazing. So this is what they look like. I'll put some Instagram stories on the screen that I did, which shows you me swatching them so you can see all the different colours. But I've got 4 of them. And then I also have mascara from Dior, and then a little eyeliner. And then lastly from Dior I have this Hydration Rescue Intense Sorbet Creme. I haven't used this properly yet, but I'm excited to give it a proper go and see how it works, because I haven't really tried any Dior skincare products before, so I'm hoping they're good. I've got this little box from Look Fantastic. It's their September beauty box. I get one of these every month, but I thought I'd show you what's in this month's. So you get a little magazine. This is Elle magazine. And then what else do you get inside? This is everything it contains. There you go. I think you can see. I don't want to tip it over, but I have a little shampoo. This is a Eve Lom cleanser. We have a little Omravita cleansing balm. Philip Kingsley elasticizer, which I love. This is a deep conditioning mask for your hair. So good. And then we've got a little aromatherapies bath and shower oil. And then also this, which is eyeliner, I think. Yeah. And then I also got a little cloth which goes with the cleanser. So yeah, that's the Look Fantastic beauty box. I don't think these are too much as well, but I'll link it down below if you want to get it. I got a few more bits from Look Fantastic. So this is the Florja. I have no idea. That is the brand, if you can see, hopefully. But it's a micellar water. Love these, use these all the time. I love that it's like massive, because I just go through them really quickly. Also got a cleanser, also got this Purity moisturiser from Philosophy. I've been using this quite a lot recently. It does come in like a nice box, but I've been using it pretty much every night and day. It's just an ultralight moisturiser, and I love that you get a lot in it, because I use face moisturisers every morning, every evening. So this one's good, really simple, just, yeah. So next up we have a massive box full of makeup. Can you see? This is from a brand called Sam Marcel. I think they're an American brand, but they ship to the UK, and the packaging is like amazing. So I think it's velvet. Yeah, it's like velvet packaging. This is the highlight palette, which looks like that. So it's got a huge mirror, but I've got loads and loads of stuff. This is, I think, the eyeshadow palette. So let's look at this. That's what that looks like. So again, the colours are super nice, and the packaging really luxurious. And then I've also got a load of their lipsticks and things like that. I have a few products from the brand Miss Lynn. I think they do like brow and eyeshadow products. So I've got a little eyeshadow palette, which, to be honest, the colours look really good. Ah! I just dropped it. Oh, good, hasn't broken. But the colours look really nice in this. And then I also have a little brow duo, which I have been using, and I really like it. And then also this, which is a brow liquid eyebrow liner. So, can you see? It kind of comes out. Like, I'm not sure if you can actually see that, but yeah, I'm excited to try this as well. Quite curious, because I feel like it can make really good eyebrow strokes. These are from the brand Nailberry. That's what they look like. They're two little nail polishes. I love the colours of these and the packaging, so I'm excited to try these out. I just think they're the perfect like autumn winter colours. This is a little box from Lovin Tan. Absolutely love their fake tan. Definitely my favourite to use, I'd say, that I've tried. So I got a stock up of all my favourites. So little exfoliating thing, tanning mitt, and then we have the deluxe bronzing mousse in ultra dark, which is the fake tan that I normally use. And then I also got the 2 Hour Express. So I'm excited to use this because I've heard really good things. And then the bronze shimmer as well. It also came with chocolates, but I've obviously eaten the chocolates because, yeah, I ate them within 5 minutes of getting this parcel. So I hope you enjoyed seeing everything I got. Yeah, let me know if you want to hear any more info about any of them once I've given them a proper try. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye!